The earth is a beautiful place filled with wonders and adventures. Yet, there are some harmful parts of the earth which is not safe for human inhabitation, which is the most dangerous places on planet Earth. The last on the list is Gates of Hell. A massive man-made crater that has been burning gas for decades is a disaster of miscalculation by the scientists who opened the gates of hell. Literally, it was one of the deadliest decisions taken by some wise people. In order to preserve the air quality of the Karakum Desert, the scientists thought that the burning of the natural gas would be a quick solution, as fire will doze off in a few weeks. And then the air quality would continue as normal. But on the contrary, the flames are burning to date, even after almost half a century has passed. Only the ones who doesn't dread flames can visit or imagine visiting the deadliest place on earth. Next on our list is the Skeleton Coast, Namibia. Absolute stark and inhabited Skeleton Coast is located literally where the earth ends. The expansive coast stretches 500 kilometers between the old Germany colony town. The name itself suggests that this desert is not conducive for human habitation. It is perhaps derived from animal bones that are scattered around expansive strand and a large number of ship that wrecked here over the centuries. Adventurers, tour operators organize day trips along the south part of this skeleton coast. Moving on to the next is the Danaki Desert, Ethiopia. This is the hottest place on earth. The Danaki Desert in Ethiopia is one of the driest and lowest places on earth that looks like the alien land. One can witness volcano oozing out lava, multiple hills of hydrothermal fields, and massive salt plains that leave you covered with more than 10 tons of salt. This deadly desert lies at the northern end of the Earth Rift Valley that is separated by live volcanoes from the Red Sea. Next we have on our list is the Snake Island, Brazil. Considered as one of the deadliest places, Snake Island in Brazil is definitely the most dangerous place on earth, 90 miles away from the city. This super deadly island is home to the largest concentrated population of snake in the world. According to researchers, Snake Island has about 5 snakes per square meters. It is said that snakes on this island are very venomous, that they can melt human flesh. This island is the only place in the world where the golden laced head viper is found, and the most venomous snake in the world. Due to the extremely high risk for tourists and black market demand for lens head venom, the Brazilian government has strictly prohibited visit to the Snake Island. Next, we have the Devil's Pool. After thousands of years of erosion, many rock pools have formed near the Great Victoria Fall, and one of them is right on the very edge, Devil's Pool, with a steep and an up-close and personal view of the sheer drop of the sides of the fall. Is indeed the ultimate infinity pool. It takes a rocky walk and swim to reach the pool before slipping into the pumping swimming hole. Those fearless enough to leap into the pool get pushed to the edge by the force of the river, with the rock leap bringing them up to the halt at the raging water of the Zanzibar crash over the close-by cliff. Next, we have the Marina Trench. It's an ocean trench located in the West Pacific Ocean, about 200 kilometers east of the Marina Island. It is the deepest ocean trench on Earth. It measures about 2,550 kilometers in length and 69 kilometers in width. The maximum depth is 10,984 meters. At the southern end of the small slope-shaped valley is the floor known as the Challenger Deep. If Mountain Everest were placed into this trench at this point, its peak would be underwater by more than 2 kilometers. At the bottom of this trench, the water column above exerts a pressure of 1086 bar, more than 1071 times the standard atmosphere pressure at sea level. Then to our final most dangerous place in the world, we give it up for Bermuda Triangle, section of the North Atlantic Ocean off North America, in which more than 50 ships and 20 airplanes are said to have mysteriously disappeared. The area, whose boundaries are not universally agreed upon, has a triangle shaped marked by the Atlantic coast of Florida. Reports of unexplained occurrence in the region dates to the mid-19th centuries. Some ships were discovered completely abandoned for no apparent reason. Others transmitted no distress signal and were never seen or heard from again. Aircraft have been reported vanished, and also rescue missions said to have vanished also when flying over the area. However, wreckage has not been found, and some of these theories has explained the repeated mysterious vanishing of aircraft and ships in this area. Theories surrounding this disappearance of ships might be supernatural or due to environmental factors surrounding this particular area. So with this, we call this a wrap, and don't forget to subscribe and join us in our next video.